Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting data and ensuring license readiness. Backup mail, OneDrive, and local documents so nothing is lost. Once done, confirm you have an Office 2019 product key and the correct installer or ISO on a local drive. Make sure Windows Update is current, then uninstall Office 365 through Settings Apps or Control Panel. This prevents side-by-side conflicts. If you manage multiple machines, prepare a network share or deployment package to speed the next steps. You now install Office 2019 with elevated rights to avoid permission errors. Mount the ISO or run setup. EXE as administrator, then follow prompts and enter your product key when requested. Choose Custom Install if you need only Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and omit unused apps. This saves disk space. Once installation completes, make sure you configure update channels. Use Windows Update integration or manually check Office updates. Finally, sign into your Office account to link license and sync settings if applicable. You finish by launching Word, Excel, and Outlook to verify activation and sign into your Microsoft account so settings and templates resync. Restore PSDs and local documents, re-enable OneDrive sync, and set Office as the default for relevant file types. Make sure Windows is updated and run Office Update once more. If something goes wrong, start with the Office Online Repair from Programs and Features, then re-enter the product key and reboot. If activation still fails, contact IT or Microsoft support for license validation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.